Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be showing you the top 5 alternatives to the Amazon Fire TV Stick, but we're keeping it all in the Google TV and Android TV family. Now look, if you're fed up with Fire TV constantly blocking third-party apps, limiting customizations, and pushing Amazon's ecosystem above your own choices, you're definitely not alone. That's why more users are switching to Google-powered devices. They're more open, more flexible, and still give you full access to all your favorite streaming services with the freedom to do more. And without further ado, here are the best Fire TV Stick alternatives. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the ON-TV 4K streaming box, Walmart's budget-friendly powerhouse. And here's why it's such a great alternative. It runs Google TV, not Fire OS. It fully supports sideloading, it has access to the Google Play Store, it has Chromecast built in, which allows you to cast your phone or your laptop screen, and it comes in at less than $30. But it's not all roses and sunshine. Here are some of the cons. It's not the fastest device, it has a very basic build quality, and there's no Ethernet port. But if you're looking for freedom on a tight budget, the ON 4K streaming box is a solid start. Next up, at number 4, is the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick 4K. Compact, minimalist, and surprisingly capable. But why is it better than the Fire TV Stick? Well, it runs clean Android TV 11, it's easy to sideload APKs, it's lightweight and portable, and it has Dolby Vision and DTS support. But here are some of the limitations. It has limited internal storage, it's slightly slower than the box-style Android devices, and it also has no Ethernet support. But if you want portability and a clean Android experience without Amazon's restrictions, the Mi Stick 4K does the job. And number 3 is the ON TV 4K Plus, which takes everything great about the base ON TV 4K model and kicks it up a notch. Now, why would somebody want to pick the ON TV 4K Plus? Well, it has a faster processor than its predecessor, it has more RAM, giving you 3 gigs instead of 2, it also has a better remote with backlit buttons. That makes it a lot easier to see in a dimly lit room. And the best part is it's not too much more expensive than its predecessor, retailing for just under $30 US on the Walmart website. But the downside is it still has a budget build quality, and it still has no Ethernet port. But this will still be a great choice. It's faster than the Fire Stick 4K Max and still fully open and customizable. And number 2, we've got the TiVo Stream 4K. It's a hidden gem for cord cutters and streamers who love maintaining control. And here's why people love the device. It runs Android TV OS. You can sideload pretty much anything very easily. It includes live TV guide integration. It has Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support. And it has a USB-C port. However, a major con is that the TiVo UI layer is a bit clunky, and it takes a while to receive Android OS updates. The TiVo Stream 4K is often overlooked, but it offers more freedom than Fire TV and packs in premium features at a mid-range price. And in the number 1 spot, the ultimate Fire TV Stick replacement is the ON TV 4K Pro. But why is it number 1? Well, it's the fastest ON TV device to date. It has 32 gigs of storage plus 3 gigs of RAM. It comes with a built-in Ethernet port. It also has a USB-A port. And you get all of this for under $50. However, it's only available at Walmart, which isn't exactly a deal breaker, but it would be better if more retailers carried it. And even though it's still technically a budget device, the performance punches well above its weight. This is the most open, powerful streaming device under $50. No app blocks, no Amazon bloat, just full access to Android TV. The way it should be. Now, this list is filled with budget-friendly devices. However, if you're willing to spend a little bit more money to get a little bit more horsepower, then check out this video right here for the top 4 streaming devices in 2025.